Hello everyone. And welcome to another comparison video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me achieve 1000 subscribers. Let's start. Today we will compare latest Samsung Galaxy M20 and Galaxy J7 Pro. And find out the best one. Galaxy M20 has 6.3-inch screen, with 409 pixels per inch. While Galaxy J7 Pro has 5.5-inch screen with 401 pixels per inch. However, J7 Pro is 0.8 mm thicker than M20. J7 Pro has shown a huge improvement in camera setup, as the front camera is 13 megapixels while rear camera is also 13 megapixels. On the other hand, M20 has an 8 megapixel front camera, while 13 plus 5 megapixels rear camera setup. M20 is available in 4 and 3 GB RAM, with 32 and 64 GB storage options, while J7 Pro is available in 3 GB RAM, with 32 and 64 GB storage options. And yes, do not worry, you can add extra storage in both smartphones. Samsung Galaxy M20 has Exynos 7904 chipset, with 1.8 Octa Core Processor, while J7 Pro has Exynos 7870 chipset, with 1.6 Octa Core Processor. M20 has a huge battery setup, with 5000 mAh battery, while J7 Pro also has a large 3600 mAh battery. Although M20 have higher specs, still its price is almost $60 less than previous J7 Pro smartphone. Both smartphones have a better screen protection. M20 will operate under old Android Oreo, while J7 Pro is operating under Android Nougat. Both smartphones are compatible with dual SIM options along with SD card slot. However, both devices do not have any water and dust IP protection. You cannot use any of the smartphone to pay any kind of bills, as they do not support mobile payment. Both smartphones do not have wireless charging as well as fast charging options. For security, both devices are equipped with rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. However, no Face ID or face scan is available. M20 is available in ocean blue and charcoal black color. That's all from today's video. In our opinion, both devices worth the money as they are giving so many advantages. Which device will you prefer? Let us know by commenting. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.